In research, there is increasing emphasis on the ethical conduct during the research study. However, few students engage properly with what it means to conduct research in an ethical manner and the many considerations involved, particularly when the subjects of the study are humans, as is the focus of this video clip. The Encyclopaedia Britannica defines ethics as the branch of philosophy that seeks to determine the correct application of moral notions such as good and bad, right and wrong, or a theory of the application or nature of such notions. They provide us with guidelines of what behavior is acceptable and when we are acting immorally. Ethics are therefore not only relevant in research, but permeate all aspects of life. Various theories of ethics, what is morally right or wrong, and norms relating to ethical behavior have been debated since the times of leading philosophers such as Aristotle, Hume, Kant, and Bentham. According to the Council for International Organizations of Medical Sciences, research is a class of activity designed to develop or contribute to generalizable knowledge such as theories, principles, or relationships, or the accumulation of information on which they are based that can be corroborated by accepted scientific methods of observation and inference. More specifically, research on humans includes studying any aspect of human functioning or behavior, whether at a cellular or a societal level. Unfortunately, there are many examples of atrocious non-ethical experiments conducted on human subjects in the name of science, which has led to the development of what we consider nowadays the 4 leading codes that guide the conscientious preparation of proposals for scientific studies and on how research should be carried out. Underpinning all these codes are the principles of respect, beneficence, and justice. Respect for persons refers to the idea that people must never be treated as a means to an end for others. 2 fundamental considerations include respect for autonomy and protection of people with diminished autonomy. This includes the subject's right to voluntary participation and withdrawal, equitable selection for participation, information to the subject, privacy and anonymity, compensation, and feedback. Beneficence is also called non-maleficence and means do no harm. This entails maximizing the benefits and minimizing possible harm, and conducting research that will ultimately benefit society. Doing so requires a good research design, competent investigator, and exercising utmost caution to ensure a favorable balance of risks and benefits, even if it means having to terminate an experiment in the interest of protecting the subject or society. Justice refers to the ethical obligation to treat each person in accordance with what is morally right and proper, and to give each person what is due. This includes the subjects and the sponsors. Distribution of the researcher's benefits and sharing the burden of research is also encompassed in this. These components that feed into the fundamental ethical principles form part of any application for ethical approval of a research project involving humans. As in the words of the Chinese teacher and philosopher Confucius, "Do not do to others what you do not want to have done unto yourself." For more information on conducting ethical research using human subjects in South Africa, please consult the following sources.